Hola y bienvenidos a mi YouTube channel, The Spicy Kitchen. Oh, I was speaking Spanish, sorry. Right now we are gonna make meatless burgers. Yes, it's vegan and vámonos. Today what we are making is meatless burgers, and the truth is lately, well, I'm not gonna disclose my age, but my high blood pressure went up all of a sudden and I don't know what happens, and I decide to go time to time without meat, and that's why we are making this recipe as well. You know, going meatless at least 1 or twice a week, what will help is the environment as well. So let's just start diving in. Our burger is mainly done with quinoa, which I already made it. So you just simply get the quinoa, water, boiling for about 10 minutes until you taste it that is a little bit soft. I have my mushrooms, onions, pecans. So if you are into being nut free, simply do not add the pecans into that. How we are gonna start is with a little bit of oil. I always use olive oil, is my preference, but you can use any type of oil. I'm gonna saute my onions. After I saute my onions, I'm gonna add some mushrooms, a little bit of salt. I should try this. Let's see. No, I'm a disaster. Then I'm gonna add my pecans and I roll them. Just simply will give some crunchiness to your meat. Well, to your meatless burger. Quinoa. My herbs, usually I bought it at the market. They are organic and local. And what I did is, because I know I was not going to use them, I just dry them, and now I'm just simply going on top and I get the most of it. There you go. A little bit of oregano. And voila, it's all cooked. So then I get it into a bowl and let it cook. Let it cool down. And now, in order to bind our meatless burger, what I'll do is I'll add the eggs, and I just simply mix it. I'll add a little bit of oil, about medium heat. And I got these little rings that I have here in my shop, and I just add a little bit of oil so I will have a nice shape. Sometimes you don't have these things, you just simply, you know, grab it with your hand, and you know, a good size that you think is for you, just simply use it. Here I go. This looks yummy. Let's go with the second one. Our producer today is gonna be very happy. We are never making anything for him. And today we make vegetarian burgers. That's it. One. That jumped. Is the heat. And I guess if you want to make it with less fat, instead of eggs, you can use egg whites. Now the moment of truth. Okay. Uh-oh. This is gonna break. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh God. It's not so perfect. Here you have, boom. And that's it. That's done. This is our meatless burger. So there you go, guys. This is the veggie burger. Quinoa is definitely what will be your protein substitute. And then you add the pecans or the mushrooms or the onions or the garlic, and you can play around. Remember always to buy local or as much as you can. And this quinoa is actually from Ontario, believe it or not, and it's one of the best quinoas in the world. At least once or twice a week, go veggie, help the environment, help your health, and of course help the Ontario economy. Hasta la vista.